Hello. Today we're going to be making a flower. I still have leftover paint from the Purple Pansy in video 128. Here's that pale yellow. Give that a spin. We're going to use my bottom cup, the 3D laser printed bottom cup. I'm only going to be doing 3 petals. And the first color is Purple Lake and Bronze. And then we're doing the pearl white, and then the ultramarine blue mixed with metallic blue, and then the bright yellow mixed with metallic gold. I love the pattern that this leaves when you take the top off. It's so cool. And then we just take a skewer and we're going to take the round petal, we're just going to slip right through the center of those and turn them into a petal. Just like that. And then what I do is I take the bottom of a marker. It's easier for me with a marker. And I just touch that dark paint and just drag it to the middle. Basically just to fill in that blank space, but also to make a middle for the flower. Ooh, the center looks good. All right, I can breathe again. Now we're just going to get that paper towel wet, just damp. Just going to spray it just to get the paper towel a little bit softer. I'm going to just make sure that all of my paper towel is touching the paint. There's no air pockets. You're just lightly touching. You're not pressing down or anything like that. Just lightly touching. And believe it or not, how you pick up your paper towel does make a difference on how the flower turns out, which is the hardest part, I think. So take your time on this part. Go opposite corner to opposite corner, pick it up nice and neat, and then go opposite middle to opposite middle. All right, so I didn't go opposite to opposite. I see what I did there. I kind of dragged it right over that one petal. But look at those cute bunny ears. But it's just got to settle. Look at that lacing. Now, just so you know, I did pour another flower just before this video, and I have a picture of it at the end of this video. Now, because your paper towel pulls some of your base color off, I'm going to go ahead and put some of that back on and spread it out with a spatula. It's just so you don't have this big ridge. I would like to thank you. I hope everybody has a great day, and I'll see you all soon.